Hi guys. This is mid-editing Hacksaw here. I just want to interrupt here because it may not seem obvious. Basically, here I show this animation, but it says the inspiration there too, but they don't look similar. Let me just clarify, this is just a concept, and the inspiration video looks too much like the Cool Kids pizza delivery animation. Let's take a look again. So now you've noticed. But I did have this concept. If it still works, it can do RNG, where it randomly chooses which animation to do, in which case I've animated this version too. Anyways, back to what you came for.
Get exponentially stronger as you develop them. Can't you see? It's up to me to cure humanity! Why doesn't anybody see the big picture? I'm going to tear down this entire world. You're all blinded by some outdated sense of what's right. So I know you'll happily give your life for my cause, won't you? They're all sick.